Okay, let's be honest. Pinging your boss is the worst feeling ever. It's annoying, it's awkward, and we all hate to do it. But you know what's actually even worse? Forgetting to do it. That's when you enter the whole spiral that brings your workflow down and your ticket stopped moving. So if you want to stop being a project police and finally get those approvals and finally move your tickets forward, you should definitely check out the reminders for Jira from Power Tools app. This is how to set up reminders. First of all, here we have reminders tab, and this first view is like a shortcut to reminders. So you can create 1 hour, 1 day, or 1 week reminders just with one click. So let's create this for 1 hour. And as you can see, it's already created and it's for me. But if you want to create something more complicated and comprehensive, let's choose create reminder. And here you can set up date and time, the hour, of course, and also tag different people. So for example, let's find Josh there. And you can also define if you want to transition this task. So for example, I want to put this task in progress, and I put comments that start working on it. And yeah, let's maybe set it up for like 3 minutes to see how it will look like in the comment section. And as you can see here, we have 2 reminders that are due soon. You can also filter with newest first, oldest first, and so on. So this is a very simple console to create those reminders and also to delete them or to take a look what you actually have created. So let's wait 2 minutes and see how it look like after being completed. Okay, so it's done, and as you can see in the comment section, I'm tagged, Josh is tagged, and the reminder is completed. So yes, it's that simple. And one more thing that I want to mention is that here we have some templates for comments, and for sure very soon we will have more of them.